Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, this is a new topic which you are already studying in maths classes. The topic is reasoning and I am going to ask you some questions based on reasoning. You have to solve these questions from your mind. Try to solve the answers in your mind itself. Do not use pen or pencil. So the first question is written on the board. Question number 1 says that which number replaces the question mark? You can see that there is one triangle, two triangle and third triangle. In the first triangle, every corner is having one digit. In the second triangle, every corner is having one digit, and in the between also there is a digit. Now in the third triangle, the third digit is missing. So you have to understand the pattern and then you have to tell me from these four options which digit is going to come here. So your time starts now. I am going to give you only 10 seconds for this. So let's see how many of you are able to answer to this question, and everybody has to answer in the comment section along with your name, because some of the students uses the ID of their parents, so I am not able to understand who has answered the question. Okay students, I think 10 seconds are over now. Now I am going to tell you what is the pattern behind this. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 1, 33, 7 2s are 14 and 14 plus dash is equals to 23. That means what should be added to 14 in order to make it 23? We have to find out this. So now are you able to answer to this question? Now if anybody who has not answered, they can pause the video and comment down in the comment section. Yes students, very good. 9 is the right answer. 9 will come here in the place of question mark. 9 should be added to 14 in order to make it 23. So question number 1 is done. Now I am going to ask you another question, that is question number 2. So kindly pay attention students. And yes, if you want, you can note down this work in your maths classwork copy, and if you do not want to note down, you can note down in rough copy also. This is just to improve your reasoning skills. And yes, I can also give the questions in revision also, not in exam but in revision I can ask questions based on reasoning. And yes, if I will be asking, I am going to tell you बिफोर ओनली, आपको पहले से इन्फॉर्म कर दिया जाएगा दैट क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन रीजनिंग्स आर ऑल्सो कमिंग इन द रिविजन टेस्ट. ओके, नाउ विच वर्ड डज नॉट बिलोंग टू द ग्रुप? आई एम रीडिंग 4 words. You have to find out which one is not belonging to the group. The first word is light year, second word is cubit, third word is ounce, and the fourth one is meter. So which is the odd one? You have to pick the odd one out. That is very easy. Kindly go through all the 4 words and you will be able to solve this question. I am giving only 5 seconds to answer to this question. Okay students? Yes, very good. Whosoever has commented in the comment section as their answer ounce, their answer is correct. Why ounce is the odd one out of the following? Because ounce is used to measure the weight. Ounce is used to measure the weight. Rest all the 3 are related to which category? They all are related to distance. 1 light year is equals to 9.4605284 9.4605284 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5 meters. This is the value of 1 light year. That is related to distance. If I talk about cubit, 1 cubit is equals to 45.72 centimeter. That is also related to distance. Now if I talk about meter, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now all the 3 categories, light year, cubit and meter, are related to distance. Only one category, that is ounce, is related to weight. Now what is the value of 1 ounce? The value of 1 ounce is 28.3495231 grams. This is the value of 1 ounce. Okay students? So I am not going to ask the value of 1 light year or 1 cubit or 1 ounce or 1 meter. You just have to pick the odd one out. So as you all can see that ounce is the odd one because ounce is based on weight. Rest of the units are based on distance, that is length. So the odd one is ounce. Now moving on to the next question of the topic reasoning is, a series is given to you, you have to complete the series. That means it is a filling the blanks, you have to complete it. Okay students, now let's complete the series. ACE FHJ KMO dash UWY. Now you have to find out the missing term in the series. I am going to give you 4 options. You have to apply your brains, then pause the video and comment down the answers in the comment section. Let's see how many of you are able to answer to this question. CMN IJT PRT, and the 4th option is UJI. Okay students, the 4th option is UJI. Now you have to complete the series. Let's see how many of you are able to answer to this question. First of all, whenever you are solving a question based on reasoning, you have to understand the pattern of the terms given in the question. So you have to understand the pattern of these 3 terms. Then only you will be able to find out the 4th one. So students, ACE, A for A, then they have skipped 1 letter, that is B. After that again they have skipped 1 letter, that is E. A, B, C, D, E. After E they have not skipped any letter in the second term and they have moved on to F. Then again 1 letter skipped, G, H, I. Again they have not left any letter, they have not skipped any letter, but in the term they have skipped one letter. Okay, now so what comes after O? After O, P comes. Now leaving one term, leave the Q and then R, leave S, then T. So the answer to this question is PRT. So the missing term will be PRT. I hope you must have understood students. Now let's move on to the next question of this exercise, reasoning exercise. Choose the pair that best represents a similar relationship to the one expressed in the following. So you have to choose up a pair which is expressing the best relationship like this. So the question is binding. Now binding is done with which material? We do the binding of books. So binding book. Now the options which are similar to this, you have to find out which option is similar to this. Nail, hammer, frame, picture and bottle, carry, and then shoe, socks. So which one is most similar to binding and book? You have to choose that option. Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Comment down in the comment section. Kindly pause the video students. Okay. Very good. So students, whosoever has commented their right answer as frame, picture, those students are 101% right. Now why they are right? We do the binding of a book. In the same way we frame the pictures. We make a collage and frame the pictures. So that is very similar to this one. If I talk about nail and hammer, they are not similar to this. If I talk about bottle, we used to carry the bottle, the purpose is given and the nail is being hammered. So this is not similar to this option. So only frame and picture is the right answer. Moving on to the next question. So students, the next question is based on calendar and all the students have studied the chapter calendar in class 4. Today is Monday. After 61 days, which day will it be? For example, if I talk about today's day, today is Monday. Today is Monday. Okay. Now, after 61 days, which day it will be? After 61 days, we have to find out which day will be there. Now, the four options are Saturday, Tuesday, Monday and Sunday. Okay, students, you have to choose from these four options which one is the right answer. So if I talk about the questions based on calendar, there is one thing similar in those types of question. Every day is same. For example, today is 1, okay, and on the 7th day, today is Monday and today is 1. So on 7, again on the 7th day it will be Monday. So every day repeats itself after every 7 days. So if today is Monday and here there are 61 days. So how will we solve this question? Just divide 61 divided by 7, and you all know that 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. So 7 eights are 56. What is the remainder? The remainder is 5. So the remainder is 5. So we have to find out the 5th day. Okay. Now which is the 5th day? 56 plus 5. On 56th day there is Monday. So you have to add 5 to that. So adding 5 on Monday, which day is going to come, students? Just add 5 to Monday and comment down in the comment sections which day is coming. Okay. Yes, students, your answer is totally right. So the answer will be Sunday, because it is written after 5 days. That means we have to leave 5 days. So on 56th day there is Monday. After 5 days means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5 days it will be Sunday only. Okay, students, what is the right answer? Sunday is the right answer. I hope you must have understood this question. Moving on to the last question of this video, question number 6. Firstly, I am going to read the question for you, then you have to solve it. And this question is a little bit complicated. It is based on sitting arrangement. It comes in the topic, under the topic sitting arrangement. Okay, students. So now seating arrangement, the question is 6 friends are sitting in a circle. 6 friends are sitting in a circle. Just make a circle. Okay, as per the condition of the question, you have to draw your diagram and are facing the center of the circle. So this is the center of circle. Everybody is facing the center of the circle. Deepti is between Pradeep and Pankhudi. Kriti is between Rajesh and Amit. Pradeep and Rajesh are opposite to each other. So you have to start from the last statement. The last statement says that Pradeep and Rajesh are opposite to each other. So opposite means in the opposite direction. So let's say Pradeep is sitting here. So Rajesh will be sitting here because both of them are in opposite direction. Now second last statement of the question. Second last statement is Kriti is between Rajesh and Amit. Kriti is between Rajesh and Amit. So this is Rajesh. Kriti is between Rajesh and Amit. Okay. So now here it will be Kriti. Now I am going to make Amit sit here. So Kriti is between Rajesh and Amit. Second condition also followed. Moving on to the last condition. Deepti is between Pradeep and Pankhudi. Deepti is between Pradeep and Pankhudi. So let's say Deepti is here. Deepti, and now here it will be Pankhudi. So Deepti is between Pradeep and Pankhudi. So who is sitting next to Pradeep? Who is sitting next to Pradeep? You have to tell me in the comment section, students. Once you will see this diagram, you can see that this point is Pradeep's place. So Pradeep is sitting here. So as per the question, who is sitting next to Pradeep means, if you look on the left side, Deepti is sitting. If you look on the right side, Amit is sitting. But logically, Amit is the right answer. Now, why Amit is the right answer? Because whenever you are reading a clock, it is in clockwise direction. So you have to take the name also in these types of question in clockwise direction. So on the right side, Amit is there. So Amit is the right answer. Okay, students, I hope you must have understood and enjoyed also. If there are any problems, any queries, you can comment down in the comment section. I will surely record these things, and I am going to reply for each and every comment. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.